What is going on, people? Today we did some Google Maps and we found a creek. We're gonna see what we can catch in today. I don't even know if there's even gonna be fish in here, but if you're seeing this video, obviously there's fish in here. So we're gonna try it out. Water looks nice and clear so far. We're coming up on it, but people have fires. Yeah, it's quite sweet so far. Brought dog Kona, no, drop it, thank you. And brought doggo, and yeah, should be a good time. Let's try it out. Alright guys, so this is just a nice early morning. We have a Ned rig tied on. Seeing what we can do. Can do some damage. Doggo attacking a stick. Standard doggo life. Oh wow, just like that. First cast of the morning. We got a good one. For this little creek. Would you guys look at this? Oh my gosh. That is a smallmouth if I ever seen one. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my goodness. That one's really good. Yeah, you're cold, little dude. You are very cold. Oh my goodness. Would you guys look at that? That is a nice little creek bass right there. Nice little creek smallie. Killing it out here. Oh my goodness. So, dog, you can't have bass. So yeah, this nice little smallie came right out of that flow. We cast it right into the flow over there, and boom, nailed it as soon as it hit the ground. Like, it literally took no time. Alrighty. There he goes. He's off. So, we're throwing a little Ned. Nice little chartreuse tip on it. I really don't remember the name of the color of this bait, but it literally was just bam, on the drop, nailed it. That was just amazing. And the fact they're smallmouth, man. You can see a little there, wow. Oh, have him, he's picking it up. There he is. Boom. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at these guys. In the water, they just look absolutely spectacular. You can't beat the look of a smallmouth. Oh my goodness. Let's get him in. Nice. Oh, he choked it. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Just look at that. Beautiful little smallie. Gonna put him in. You guys can watch him go. He's off just like that. I think we're just gonna head downstream because we've moved upstream pretty much, and now we're just gonna chase it back to like our car and then see where we get to. But I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far and see what we can make of it. Let's keep it going. Woo. Another fucking spot. Let's go. Yeah, Kona mamas, we're getting it. Woo! Woo! All right, we almost died, but it's okay. We're gonna. Oh, I see a smallie right there. These smallmouth in this creek is just blissful. It is amazing. Oh my goodness. So yeah, we're still on the Ned rig. We're just have kind of like a little crappy head on it. Oh wow, look how many smallies are in there. Whew. And that cast is just amazing. Okay. just waiting. Got him. Got him. Look at that. Boom. That was awesome. You could just see him just pulley pick it up. Oh yeah, this is just great. This is what I'm talking about. Good smallies in the creek. Boom. Backcountry creek fishing. Let's get it. Keep going. Woohoo! Okay, let's see if we can pick one up off that point. Let's see here. Oh, I need to throw a braid on my row. So, yesterday we got here. Oh, crazy bunch. There we go. Little guys, man, they're so much fun. You can't beat smallmouth fishing, I'm telling you. You really can't beat smallmouth fishing. And in a creek, you know, like, yeah, they're not giants by any means, but I don't feel like that's what it's about, you know? It's about catching these boys and enjoying it. That's just awesome. Like, you can see how clear the water is, you know? You can see them in there so well. Whoa. All right, we found a new spot. We're gonna try it out. It's another big pool. We're gonna see if we can pick up some more smallies out of here. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. Oh, there he is. Boom. Would you look at that? Sweet. Oh, not in the sticks, not in the sticks. Whoop. Bam. Another nice, beautiful smallie to start the morning off. Whoop. Whoop. Got that big old log of a Ned rig at it. Wow, and these bass are so cold. This creek's running super cold. There he is. Bam. Nice back creek smallie. Let's get him in. Boom, and he's off. He railed it. Alright peeps, so we're about finished up here. We're gonna head back to the car. We're about done. I caught, well, I don't even know, probably 20, 30 smallmouth in this little trip that we had. It was really fun. It was a good time. If you guys have any questions about what I was throwing or anything you want to know about what was going on today, maybe the setup I was using, let me know down in the comments and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.